How to perform and complete the Android Photos backup effectively. Here's several solutions for your reference. 1. Click to backup Android Photos with Android Data Backup and Restore. Backup Manager for Android is an awesome Android data backup and restore tool that can help you back up all or selected data items from Android to PC or Mac and restore them back from computer to Android easily. Step 1. Connect Android device to computer. Step 2. Select the photos to backup. Step 3. Start to backup Android photos. Backup photos from Android to computer with Assistant for Android video tutorial included. Icon Assistant for Android Win and Mac. This program is designed to help users manage the files like photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, etc. on Android phone. Step 1. Launch the software. Connect your device via USB or Wi-Fi. Enable USB debugging or follow Wi-Fi prompts. Step 2. Software detects your Android phone, showing the interface. Step 3. Select Super Toolkit Backup. Choose files like photos. Pick a backup location. Step 4. Click Backup to start the transfer. Backup Android pictures to cloud. Many people prefer storing phone data in cloud storage for convenience. OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox are popular choices. Consider backing up your Android photos to the cloud. Automatically backup photos on Android. Open Google Photos. Sign in. Tap Menu. Select Settings. Choose Backup and Sync. Toggle on Backup and Sync. Copy and paste the pictures with USB cable. Step 1. Connect your Android phone to computer with USB cable and then turn on USB debugging on your device. Step 2. Swipe down the phone screen and then tap on Transfer Files in the notification bar. Step 3. Double-click on this PC on your computer and then tap on your mobile phone. Step 4. Now, just find out the folder or images that you want to transfer and then right-click the mouse to copy them. Step 5. Go to the folder that you want to save the selected photos and right-click the mouse to paste them.